Blockchain technology has significantly increased the accessibility of digital currency transactions, making it easier for people to engage with cryptocurrencies. Mobile crypto trading represents the next logical step in this evolution of financial access, providing users with the tools they need right at their fingertips. Individuals can now manage their cryptocurrency assets directly from their smartphones or tablets, making the process more convenient and efficient. This ease of use is attracting new participants into the dynamic crypto space, encouraging a broader audience to explore digital currencies. The popularity of mobile crypto trading applications is surging, driven by their user-friendly interfaces and real-time data. Innovative platforms like Revolut X indicate substantial market growth, showcasing the potential for further advancements in mobile trading technology. Users appreciate the ability to react swiftly to market changes regardless of location, ensuring they never miss an opportunity. This enhanced accessibility is democratizing entry into cryptocurrency markets, allowing more people to participate in the financial revolution. Financial institutions are adapting their services to meet these evolving user needs, integrating mobile trading options into their offerings. Mobile crypto trading allows users to buy, sell, and manage their cryptocurrency holdings seamlessly, making the entire process more streamlined and accessible. The most significant benefit of mobile crypto trading is its unparalleled convenience and accessibility. With just a few taps on your smartphone, you can access the global crypto market. Users can engage in trading activities at any time, whether it's early in the morning or late at night, and from almost any location, be it while traveling or relaxing in a park. This constant access is incredibly useful in the fast-paced crypto market, where prices can change in an instant. Mobile trading ensures you do not miss crucial moments due to your location, allowing you to act swiftly. Mobile applications provide instant notifications regarding important market movements, keeping you always in the loop. Timely price alerts and news updates keep traders informed, enabling them to make well-timed decisions. This immediate access allows for quick, informed decision-making, which is crucial in the volatile crypto market. Many mobile crypto trading applications are designed with simplicity and ease of use, making them accessible to both beginners and experienced traders. Complex trading actions are often broken down into simple steps, allowing users to execute trades efficiently. Mobile platforms present opportunities for seamless integration with other financial tools, such as banking and investment apps. Managing different facets of personal finances from a single device is more efficient, making it easier to keep track of your overall financial health. Mobile devices are almost constantly connected to the internet, creating vulnerabilities. This connectivity makes them targets for hackers and malicious software. Phishing attacks and malware pose significant threats. If your mobile phone is lost or stolen, your cryptocurrency assets could be at risk. Using public Wi-Fi for financial transactions is insecure. Cryptocurrency markets are known for their extreme price swings. Constant monitoring is necessary to manage risks effectively. Some mobile trading applications may offer limited features compared to desktop counterparts. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies varies by jurisdiction, adding another layer of risk. Section 4. Your digital vault. Understanding crypto wallets for mobile use. Crypto wallets are essential tools for managing digital currency assets. They come in various forms, each offering different levels of security and convenience. They securely store your unique digital keys, not the actual cryptocurrency. These keys are what you need to access and manage your digital assets. Public keys are used for receiving crypto, while private keys authorize sending. It's crucial to keep your private keys secure to prevent unauthorized access. Hot wallets are software-based and connected to the internet for ease of access. They are convenient for daily transactions, but come with higher security risks. Cold wallets are offline hardware devices offering higher security. They are ideal for storing large amounts of cryptocurrency for long-term safekeeping. Non-custodial wallets give you complete control over your private keys. This means you are solely responsible for their security. Many mobile wallets allow for direct asset swapping within the application. This feature adds convenience for users looking to trade cryptocurrencies quickly. Safeguarding your private keys is crucial for maintaining crypto security. Always back them up and store them in a secure location. Cold wallets are ideal for securely storing large amounts of cryptocurrency long-term. They provide peace of mind by keeping your assets offline and away from potential online threats. Section 5. Fortifying your mobile crypto fortress. Essential security practices. Create strong, unique passwords and avoid using easily guessable information. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for an extra layer of protection. Keep all relevant software updated to maintain robust security. Back up your seed phrase or private keys securely in an offline environment. Be cautious of unsolicited messages and phishing attacks. Verify the authenticity of any communication or platform before interacting. Never store your seed phrase digitally. Educate yourself about common scam tactics to protect your assets. Proactively secure your mobile device to ensure safe crypto trading. Section 6. The evolving mobile crypto arena and smart trading strategies. The mobile crypto trading landscape is dynamic, with constant innovation. New applications and platforms like Revolut X are emerging. Established fintech companies are expanding their cryptocurrency offerings. The space is becoming more sophisticated, attracting younger investors. Select a mobile wallet or trading app that aligns with your experience level. Ensure the app supports the cryptocurrencies you intend to trade. Examine the fee structure, including transaction and network fees. Prioritize security measures to protect your assets. Stay informed about best practices and market risks to navigate mobile crypto trading effectively.